Let me introduce myself. My name is Yuda.
Maulana Hasan.
We will be having a dialogue based on the theme written in the maiden exam in point 2. Okay, let me start. Hey Mo, thanks for coming in. I wanted to go over our plan, the new data backup system. The company be asking for a more reliable solution and like your input before we make any decision.
Sure, Yuda, I have actually reviewed a few backup options this week, mainly comparing cloud backup and on-premise storage. But I have strong points, but they serve different needs.
Great. Let's start with the basic. What's your impression of the cloud backup approach?
Personally, I think it's very practical. Cloud backup allows automatic synchronization, remote access, and scalable storage. Plus, we won't have to worry about maintaining physical hardware.
True that walls definitely reduce our maintenance work, but that about security. Management is always concerned about storing sensitive file offsite.
I get that, but modern cloud providers use end-to-end encryption, zero trust frameworks, and multi-factor authentication. In effect, many of them comply with international standards like ISO 27001. So I think say cloud backup is much safer now than it used to be.
That's a good point, but cost is another factor we can ignore. Cloud service usually charge monthly fees based on storage usage.
Yes, that's the main drawback. Over time and subscription costs grow so fast, the price of buying our own server. However, it's a more practicable. We pay as we grow.
Predictable costs are nice for budgeting. On the other hand, with local backup, we pay a lot upfront, but in mostly maintenance costs.
Exactly, local server also let us have full control over the data and backup schedules, but they are more vulnerable to physical risks like a power failure or parent screen.
That's right. Last year's power outage already corrupt some of 4 hours. Air file, we can't afford that again.
That's why I think a hybrid backup strategy could be our best option. We could use local server for daily incremental backups and cloud storage for weekly full backups.
I like that idea. It combines reliability and accessibility. If something happens to our local system, the cloud version will still be safe.
Exactly, and you can automate both process using a tool like Acronis Cyber Protect and or VM Backup. This can synchronize with both environments seamlessly.
Sounds perfect. How about data transfer speed? I heard our upload bandwidth might slow down if we send huge files to the cloud.
Alright, I have been running some tests, and large uploads can impact our daytime network traffic. My suggestion is to schedule cloud backup alternately when there's less activity.
That's a smart move. We should also compare and encrypt the data before sending it. They'll save time and protect the information.
Absolutely. I have already tested some AS encryption script that work well with our file servers.
Good initiative, Mo. Let's summarize what we have so far. 1. or big up over convenience, accessibility, and high reliability. 2. Local hybrid method combines boot strength and minimal risk. And 3. Local backup provides control and long-term costs.
That's right. I will document this discussion and prepare a short implementation plan, including budget, timeline, and security checklists.
Excellent. When can we get it ready?
I have already started drafting it. I should be able to send you a completed session by Thursday afternoon.
Great. One is ready. We'll review it together and present it to the directors next week.
Sounds good. Before I forget, should we include mobile data backup for company laptop too, or just the officer servers?
Good question. Let's start with the office server first. Once we confirm the system works smoothly, we can extend its mobile device.
Got it. I will make sure that's not in the plan.
Perfect. I really appreciate your preparation, Mo. You've done a true job analyzing both options.
Thank you, Yuda. I have learned a lot from this discussion.
Glad to hear that. Alright, then let's move forward with the hybrid plan. Please keep me updated on your progress.
Sure thing. I will keep you posted once the proposal is ready.
Excellent. Thanks again, Mo. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, Yuda. I have a great day.
Okay, closing.
Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation. We hope our conversation video was enjoyable and informative. See you next time.
See you.